Hi everyone, today we're doing Module 7, Measurement and Data. This is Lesson 8, so turn to page 37 and follow along. All right, let's take a few notes here. This is a gizmos lesson, so in a minute you will click on the gizmos and then you will go to Fido's flower bed for perimeter and area. So remember, gizmos is on your VMath Live page at the top. So this says identify each figure as a square or a rectangle. Well, number one, it has two opposite sides that are parallel, but the long side is not equal to those short sides. So this is a rectangle. This one, number two, all four sides are equal, so that is a square. A square is also a special kind of rectangle though. So this could also be a rectangle. But not all rectangles can be squares. Like this one, again, it has two long sides and two short sides that are parallel. So this one is just a rectangle. All right, so what you're gonna do is you need to make sure that you go and you click on your gizmos lesson. So click on gizmos and you are just gonna follow along. Okay, so it says under pre-built lawns, click the green square. So pre-built lawns, you'll click the little green square. Then under fence supply, so here's the fence supply, click auto fence, this little button right here. Then each segment of fence is 1 yard long. Count the segments of fence that go around the lawn to find the distance around the lawn. Number of yards around the lawn, and this will all pop up when you get to gizmos. Okay, so I'm just on your page. I can't do it on here, but when you go and click on it, just follow these exact directions and then see what happens to write down the number of yards. Then again, each piece of sod is 1 square yard. Count the pieces of sod that cover the lawn. So there's the sod. It'll tell you how much sod is used. It'll tell you how much fence is used. Okay, and then you just fill in the blanks. All right, so you will complete pages 37 and 38 on your own using the Gizmos app on VMath Live. Good luck.